Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and getting the installer. This matters because virtualization needs proper CPU support. Once you've downloaded VMware Fusion and a Mac OS image, grant Fusion full disk access and enable virtualization features in system settings. Next, open Fusion and choose New Virtual Machine. Don't tweak advanced settings yet. Make sure the Mac OS image is mounted, then click Continue to start the basic VM creation. This gets the VM framework ready, so you can customize resources next. Now you configure resources. Assign CPU cores and RAM based on workload, because under-provisioning causes sluggish VMs. Once done, create a 50 GB or larger virtual disk, enable SSD emulation, and consider pre-allocating space for performance. Attach the Mac OS installer image to the VM's CD/DVD drive and confirm UEFI settings if the image requires them. Start the VM and follow the Mac OS installer prompts. You'll format the virtual disk with apps and proceed with installation. This is the complex middle phase where finish by installing VMware tools to enable proper drivers, shared clipboard, and screen resizing. This step makes the VM usable. Once the guest boots, create a snapshot so you can revert before major changes. Configure networking, NAT for simple internet, bridged for LAN visibility. If something goes wrong, boot into recovery, reattach the installer, and increase RAM or CPU. Check the VM's firmware type, matches the installer, and inspect Fusion logs for kernel or driver errors. This troubleshooting tip resolves most boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.